Hey, it's Ryan from upfitsupply.com, and in this video we're going to be unboxing the WeatherGuard cargo stop accessories for their headache racks. Let's get into it. Okay, like I mentioned, this is going to be an accessory for those WeatherGuard headache racks that you can use for stopping cargo from sliding left to right on the headache rack. So whether that be lumber or a ladder or anything that you could possibly lean up against the headache rack itself, these are going to be the two stops, if you will, to center that cargo. So we do have two of these included in the kit. Looks like we have two nice WeatherGuard knobs here for easy tightening and loosening of these while it's on the headache rack. And we're going to have our two slider bolts. Basically all the accessories for the headache racks utilize these little slider nuts, if you will. These slide into the channel that exists kind of on the perimeter of the headache rack, and then you can attach whatever you want to, including these cargo stops like this. It looks like this also slides into that channel as well. And then you're gonna have a nut portion, and a bolt portion, a hand knob portion to tighten this inside that track, and give you two little stops here to pinch your lumber, your ladder, or whatever it may be, shovel, that's leaning up against the top of the headache rack. So a nice accessory, a simple unboxing. Even though this is such a simple product, they do give you a full installation guide in the box. Looks like they tell you, all the tools you're gonna need, everything that should be in the box, and so on. So pretty simple unboxing right here. We do have our limited lifetime warranty. All WeatherGuard products are covered by that factory lifetime warranty, so you're gonna be protected for the long haul. Now, if you're looking for these accessories or any other equipment to get your truck or van ready for work, we've got what you need at upfitsupply.com. Again, my name is Ryan. Have a good one.